Oh my gosh, I know this name. Wait, how do I know this name? Hi friends, welcome back, or welcome. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, I'm Estorina. I make soft-spoken videos about woodworking, slow DIY, and intentional living. Today, I'm engraving and wrapping a very special small cutting board for my new YouTuber and creator friend, Jonah. Jonah and I are new online friends. Through the comment section alone, we formed a very special connection. We are both interested in DIY projects, girl mom superpowers, fitness, travel, and also how we express those things in this creative outlet called YouTube. In your 40s, it's not easy to make friends, and it's even harder to convert a friend into a paying customer. It's never expected and always appreciated. Through all the connections we've made, I was still totally surprised to see an order come in from her. I had to do a double take when I saw her name in my Shopify account. I was so touched and elated. So today I'd like to share with you the preparation of her order and a quick trip back in time a few months ago to the actual process of making this exact board that will get shipped out to her at the end of this video. So sit back and relax to some woodworking ASMR shop life. After coming out of the clamps, a quick planing is oh so very satisfying. Also, how do I have so much sawdust? These boards are almost to the finish line. After getting the Tavolo Studios logo engraved, they each get 3 coats of finishing oil. After a full dry, they are ready to ship. And we've come full circle. My engravings are complimentary, and Jonah wanted fruits engraved. It's a strange feeling to know how much effort goes into making each of these boards. But then to also watch back and edit videos, I'm like, girl, no wonder you're tired. Truth is, I love it, and I wouldn't want it any other way. If you made it this far in the video, drop your favorite fruit emoji in the comment below. Then head over to Jonah's page, Jonah's Joyful Journey, and see what fruit she cuts on her board for the very first time. I hope you can tell this process is very personal to me. I like to take a moment to express my thanks. This paper is on pressed seed paper, and the back says, "Plant me." Wet your paper and set it under soil in a sunny spot indoors. Keep soil damp until seeds germinate. Sprouts will form in about 10 to 14 days. Until next time, do something brave.